Hi, I'm Sam from Guangzhou, China. I've helped global clients with product customization and bulk sourcing. Here is how I can assist you. Firstly, I offer customer software and hardware solutions, such as WeChat media programs, websites, BS enterprise software, and video surveillance systems, smart doorbells, interactive displays, stainless steel waterproof keyboards. Secondly, I provide bulk product sourcing from real factory, like furniture ceramics from Foshan, electronics from Shenzhen, lighting products from Zhongshan, apparel from Dongguan and Huizhou. Thirdly, I can support global logistics and payments, network of reliable logistics partners for worldwide shipping. Accept payment in 10 plus major currencies. Partner with me to get the best quality at competitive prices for your market success.